Hey folks, it's Chris here from American Conduit, and today I want to talk a little bit about what connectors to use with our PullEase Aluminum EMT. Since we launched PullEase, we've gotten a lot of questions about what fittings are okay to use. The short answer, you use the same connectors you would with any other metal EMT product. PullEase is dimensionally identical to all other EMT product and works with compression or set screw metal connectors. Most metal EMT fittings are made of zinc or steel, or a combination. They all work great with PullEase Aluminum EMT and are code compliant. You don't need aluminum connectors, just the same connectors you use with any other metal EMT. Check it out, a set screw connector with our 3/4 PullEase EMT. Easy installation, the same secure connection. Same with a compression connector, quick and simple. I hope this answers your question about how to connect your aluminum EMT. Aluminum is a lighter material than steel, which makes your installation easier. No special fittings needed either. Thanks for watching. Reach out if you have any other questions about using aluminum EMT for your application. We are here at AmericanConduit.com.